Let me get you outside. There's your picture. So you see a couple of dark underbellies out there, but for the most part, you also see some brighter spots, kind of a sun and cloud mix, and that's been the way of our world today. At times, there's been more sun than clouds. At other times, there's been more clouds than sun, but the picture right now kind of split 50-50. 83, your temperature currently, it feels like 88 because the humidity that Dan is referring to is still in place. Hit a high temperature today of 84. That felt more like 92. Now, in terms of those clouds out there right now, could it lead to the showers and storms that Dan is hinting at? You know what? There is a chance of that. The risk for it being severe is very low, maybe a 10 to 20% chance. And this is down from where it was earlier today. At one point, we thought the western suburbs would be running maybe a 30% risk, but National Weather Service has now lowered it. And it's not even really thought to be an issue for places east of New York City. So we'll keep an eye on all this. Could there be some raindrops? Yep. But the severe weather chance is pretty low. Almanac shows us the high temp was 84, like I said, right in line with what typically is your high temperature for this time of the year, 84. Our 84, though, today felt like about 92. 100 is the record. What do you expect? An isolated storm risk is out there tonight. But it's really hit or miss. I think some of you may not see anything. I think most of us won't see anything out there. I think the better bet to find the wet weather would be north and west of the city, and there's a chance each day, right through Saturday, for a shower or a storm. See that little bolt of lightning out there, but each day also has its periods where you have some sunshine out there, very similar to what you had today. For tonight, a spotty chance like we talked about 76 degrees for your day tomorrow. Hot and humid, 87, so even hotter tomorrow than it was today, with that pop-up storm chance, just like we are experiencing today. Vortex radar and satellite, there are a couple of little showers up in Sullivan County. Look, let's zoom in a little tighter here. Okay, like around Sullivan County, just south of Poughkeepsie. Okay, a little bit of rain. It's moderate at best. But look here, okay? You take a look at what we see around Carbondale. That's a good cell. It is moving to the northeast. It may skim the northern fringes of Sullivan County, but everything else that we see on the board in our area right now is very much on the light side. We are watching some of this wet weather, but this high-pressure system is keeping most of it pushed off into our northwest suburbs. Look, the whole front wants to move to the east, bring the rain with it. This high is kind of preventing that. Not entirely, but it's doing its job for keeping most of it outside of the area and making it more of a north and west situation. North and west is a better bet for wet weather. Better bet for severe weather is even outside of our area, going further to the west. Let's take a look at how the Futurecast sees it. So again, there's spotty out there as you go through the nighttime hours. Spotty again tomorrow afternoon. That's the picture. Some people have it. Some people have partly sunny skies at the same time. Then you get to Friday at the same hour. Similar setup, okay? Some rain, some heavy rain. A lot of folks with some partly sunny skies. Let's get into the numbers. How much rain do we pick up? You know, it could be anywhere from, you see some zeros out there. I think what's important is the trend. Smaller numbers east of the city, larger numbers west of the city. And then by the time you get to Sunday, the rain chance looks to be gone, but the heat is on. 90, 90, 91 Tuesday, 90 Wednesday. That's a heat wave right there. A low-grade one, but it's a heat wave. I think the end of next week is where everything changes and gets cooler and more refreshing.